Going by the history, the seat of Worli has always been dominated by the Shiv Sena. But this assembly elections, the voter get to choose from the two Shiv Sena, which is the UBT Shiv Sena represented by Aditya Thackeray and the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena, which is represented by Milind Deora. What brings you to stand in the elections this time, the assembly elections? What motivates you?
My relation with this area, with the people of this area, is a family relationship. This is South Mumbai is my Janma Bhumi and my Karma Bhumi. So we are always happy to serve, whether in power or out of power.
In a very recent interview, Aditya Thackeray said that if you had to contest this election, you could have resigned as a Rajya Sabha MP and then kind of contested for it.
My only thing is, if someone's dedicated to contest, they should step away from any cushioning like a Rajya Sabha seat or whatever. If you are committed enough, and this is not time pass for you, resign from the Rajya Sabha seat and come into the fray.
Aditya is a young man. To get him elected here, an outsider, they had to displace two local Worli MLAs. Don't think those people should advise others.
How do you plan to address the concerns of the Koli community when it comes to development?
Whatever their wish is, we'll support them. They have to decide whether they want to change the nature of Worli Koliwada, they want to leave it a Gauthan. We are there to support them in any way.
Talking about the cluster development of the Koliwadas, it has been alleged that in the name of development, the Eknath Shinde government is helping the developers. Say about that.
Rubbish. These are all fear tactics by the opposition. They use fear to scare people that the race course will become a tower. It's not happened. They're using fear. They stopped the biggest port in the country, Vadhavan port. They use fear to stop the Navi Mumbai airport. They use fear to delay the metro by 4 years. Fear works for a short while. Hope is much stronger than fear. And lies and fear don't work beyond a point.
So when you come to power, what will be your first line of action?
Be available to the people. Whether I'm in power, out of power, whether I'm in parliament, assembly, doesn't matter. My commitment to the people of South Mumbai remains the same.
What are the major Worli issues you will be focusing upon?
Worli issues, Mumbai issues are all the same. I think the biggest issue is to get people redevelopment.
So if we have to talk about the traffic management, Aditya Thackeray had a suggestion to deploy a traffic officer on each road in Mumbai. How much do you think this is feasible, or what is your solution when it comes to solving the traffic problems in the city of Mumbai?
I would definitely like to have active traffic management personnel, traffic police on road across Mumbai.
You have to have good public transportation that moves people who drive cars towards public transportation. That's the real solution. All the other solutions are silly solutions.
People of Worli have been demanding open spaces, recreational spaces. Do you have any plans for that, sir?
We are trying to build one of the biggest parks in the country, like a central park in Mahalakshmi Racecourse. Aditya Thackeray is opposing it because he failed to renew the lease between the BMC and the racecourse. He's now opposing and preventing others from doing it.
What do you have to say about the delay in the municipal elections in the city?
It was delayed for many years, for many reasons. One of the reasons was the OBC quota issue in the Supreme Court, which is why even during MVA's time it was delayed. My message is go out and vote. And don't vote for speed breaker politics. Vote for people who want to take Mumbai forward, not who want to do potholes and speed breakers.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.